Chase versus American Express travel portal. Which one is better for traveling? Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Chase and American Express travel portal. So for that I have these, pros and cons of each. The first of all we will talk about Chase Ultimate Rewards Travel Portal. It has advantages is that its redemption rates range from 1.25 to 1.5 cents per point. If we talk about the blackout dates, there are no blackout date. Book any flight that's available and still earn frequent flyer. If we talk about on the downside or the con of the Cheese Ultimate Reward, point redemption values fluctuate, which means it varies according to the situation, potentially resulting in lower value for your points, which means your points will have lower value as the redemption values fluctuate. Now we will talk about the American Express membership, reward travel portal. It has benefits like business platinum card holder receive a 35% rebate on points for select flights. If we talk about the blackouts there, the same thing, they don't have the blackout dates as well. However, if we talk about the drawbacks, it have only value of 1 cent per point as compared to Chase one Chase have 1.25 to 1.5. If we talk about point redemption values vary, its points values also varies depending upon the situation, which means in resulting diminish the value of your points. And now at the end we will talk about the link or associated flight with these companies. So as you guys can see, with the Chase you get these, or with American Express you get these. Now you will probably know all of the difference between American Express and Chase travel portal. Now it totally depends upon you, whatever you choose. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.